Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library when you try to install games like repack games. Here, the Isdone dll and Unarc dll in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games, as well programs of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAMs or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, in order to fix this, there are some solutions out there, but I usually use this to increase my virtual memory. So you can hold Windows key and R key, and here we go, the run box will appear, and you can type sysdm.cpl, click OK, and this is the system properties. You can click advanced performance settings. Again, you can click advanced and change the virtual memory. Untick this box and click on custom size and fill this blank, like 400 and maximum size 3000. So you can set and click OK. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.